Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change name servers on Namecheap step by step. This is useful when you want to connect your domain to a different hosting provider or use custom DNS settings. First, log into your Namecheap account and go to your dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Domain List and find the domain you want to update. Click the Manage button next to it to open the domain settings page. Next, look for the section called Name Servers. You will see a drop-down menu that usually says Namecheap Basic DNS. Click the drop-down and choose Custom DNS. Then enter your new name servers provided by your hosting company, for example, ns1.example.com and ns2.example.com. After entering them, click the checkmark or Save button. Finally, wait for the changes to take effect. DNS updates can take up to 24 to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet. Once completed, your domain will point to the new hosting provider. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple guides.